Sebastian again, and I'm still here with our official distributor PHØT GIOI MOI in Ho Chi Minh City. I would like to show you the next for our blades, but this one is not a typical standard handle. This one comes with an integrated ratcheting mechanism. For the first time, a VDE handle has an integrated ratcheting handle. So now also the job for every electrician becomes much more easier, safer and full of joy. And this new ratcheting mechanism is not just normal ratchet, it also comes again like our new standard ratcheting handles with this fast twisting, fast spinning function. So also here in the future, every screw driving job under voltage is much easier and safer and quicker.